Hi friends, good evening. Today we are going to be adding fractions with the same denominator. Ne? So ndifuna siqale ngezi simple. We are also going to do adding fractions with different denominators, but ndifuna siqale ngale simple, ne? So that we understand into siyenzayo. Right, so let's do 3/6 plus 2/6. Ne? So I'm going to use another color pen to highlight some misconceptions. Ne? So what my kids misunderstood was this. Abantwana bam, they did this. That is what they did. Ne? 3/6 plus 2/6, and then they said it's 5/12. So you know not wrong up in this also. That denominator. That denominator yenza i-answer ithini ibe wrong. Why i-answer wrong up? Usually or teacher they just say you don't add the denominators and iphelele apho. Umntana azibuze why ndingayi-add denominator. Yabo. We do not add the denominator ngoba apha kudityaniswa intoni. We are working with e6 up. We are working with e6. We are not working with e12. Ne? So I emphasized into ethi xana unikwe a fraction, in this case xa unikwe i-6th, make sure i-answer yakho iba kwi-6th, because khange unikwe i-12s apha, khange unike i-12s, unikwe i-6th. Kuthiwa dibanisa ezi 6th uzofumana i-6th ezingaphi. And I always tell them they need to ask themselves a question ethi xa ndidibanisa i-6th in this case ndizawufumana i-6th ezingaphi, because I am adding i-6th. So ndibaxelele first write i-denominator yakho so that you do not forget into yoba u-adda eyiphi i-fraction. Ne? So this has helped them a lot. Bayayazi into yoba once ndi-adde I need to first look at i-denominator yam ndiqale ngayo ukuyibhala, so that I don't forget and add i-denominators zam. So in this case, the correct answer is 5/6. 3/6 plus 2/6 is equal to 5/6. Ne? Because we are adding i-6th the whole A1. Suppose, let's do a drawing. Yale nto ndiyithethayo. Oh, azilingani ke sana. But I'll try. Let's try. Right. Much better. Right. Suppose nazi i-6th zam. Ne? Let me take my colors. Suppose nazi i-6th zam. Yebo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts. Zi-6th zam is. Ne? 3/6 no-2/6 uphuma phi? Uphuma kule whole ye-6th. That is why ngoku ungazukwazi utshintsha pha uthi 12s. Because ezi fractions zi-2 ziphuma phi? Ziphuma kule whole e1. I let them shade in. Shade u-3/6. Acoloration 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. Yayiva? Add ke ngoku u-2/6. Shade ngenye ikhala. 1/6, 2/6. Ndithi kubo ke ngoku bala ke ngoku zii-6 ezingaphi, and immediately uyayibona umntana uba I cannot be writing the answer ene-12s up, because ihole yam yahlulwe yaziipatsi ezingaphi ezi-6. U-3-6 nanku, u-2-6 nanku. Xa zizonke ke ngoku ezi ndizikhrayinishileyo okanye ndizikhalarishileyo zingaphi? Masibale ngentoni? Nge-6th. Why sibala nge-6th? Because ihole yam yahlulwe yaziipati ezingaphi? Ezi-6. Therefore each part represents intoni? 1/6. Masibale ke 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and that is how we got the answer here to kabani ka 5/6. Right, let's do another one. Let's do UB. Suppose ndinikwe u-4/8 plus 4/8. Ne? Yenza i-drawing yakho. Okanye uqale ngobhala ntoni? I-denominator yakho. Uyayibona? Ndinikwe i-8s, ndidibanisa ntoni? Ndidibanisa i-8s apha. So andikwazi ngokuyowela kwi-16th. I cannot do this now. Because ndidibanisa ntoni? I-8s. Eziphuma phi? Eziphuma kwihole eyi-1. Ne? So 8s. Masizobe i-8s apha. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretch it a bit. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it's not perfect, but yeah. So le whole ine-parts ezi-1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why sisithi zi-8s ezi, because a whole has been divided into 8 equal parts. Right. So ithini ke ngoku i-number sentence yam? I-number sentence yam ithi 4/8 plus 4/8. So ndizoqale ndikhalarishe i-8s ezi-4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uyayibona? 4/8 plus bani? 4/8 plus another 4/8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sayibona? Now immediately umntana uyabona, okay, ndizikhrayinishe zonke mos. So that should mean u-8/8 i-answer yam. And u-8/8 uthetha ukuthi I have colored everything in the whole. So u-8/8 is equal to bani? Is equal to 1 whole. Do you see how important diagrams are? Especially the little ones. I'm a grade 4. Using diagrams is extremely important to emphasize and to consolidate when working with fractions, especially to emphasize into ye denominator. Why is it that we are not adding denominators? Okay, so Appa, I have an activity for you that you can do to check if we have understand savings or what I just explained to you. So I'm just going to give you some time to think, and then I will get back to you.